Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to solve the Leetcode problem number 27, remove element. So let's read the question first. Given an integer array, nums and integer value. So we have an nums and a value, integer value, and we have to remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed, then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to value. So what he is saying is that remove all occurrences of value in nums place. So we have to remove the whatever the value of val will be, we have to remove that from nums in place only, and the order of the elements may be changed. So he is giving us the options to change the position of the elements, and then we have to return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. So we have to return the elements, we have to return the value, generally we have to return an integer value where that then we have to return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. So and here consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things: change the array nums such that the first k elements of the nums contain the elements which are not equal to val, and the remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums. Return k. So here so the solution is in the problem only. So what he is saying is that we can change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contains only the elements which are not equal to value. For example, let's take this problem. So here the nums array has elements 3 2 2 3, and the value and the val has value of 3. So we have to remove the all the occurrences of 3 and just return the number of elements which are not equal to 2. So here the two elements are 3 and two elements are of 2 which are not equal to 3. So we can just return 2 here. So here in this points he is saying that we can change array nums such that the first k elements, which is the how many number of elements are there which are not equal to value, we can bring those elements at the starting of the array, and then we can just return the index, we can just return the index plus 1. So we will get the number of values. And why index plus 1? Because our index starts with 0, that is why we can just add one value to the index and return the result. So let's okay, so I'll explain it on the paper also. So we have an nums array which is equal to 3 2 2 3, and val is equals to 3. Okay, so what we have to do here is we have to bring all the elements which are not equal to 3 at the starting index, which is 2 2, and place the elements which are equal to 3 at the last. So how we can do is, we can first we can run a for loop through all the elements, and we will check the if condition. If nums of I is not equal to val, then we will bring that element nums of. So we will also here define a variable called as k is equal to 0, because it in question it mentioned that we can take the k as the number of elements which are not equal to value. So what we will do, we will just place nums of k, which is the 0th index, as nums of I. So we can repeat the steps for complete array. Then what we'll do, we'll just move the pointer k plus plus, and then after we'll just return the k value. Okay, now let's write the code. First we'll take initialize the k value as 0, and we'll also run a for loop. I is equals to 0, I less than. So if nums of I is not equal to value, we will put that element at the starting index, which is nums of k is equal to nums of I, and then after that we will just return k, and we will move the pointer k also. We got the answer. Now let's submit it. Right, beats 100% of the users with Java. Okay, so and also we can write this code using while loop. So what we can do here is we can just remove this for loop and add here while loop. Before while loop we will initialize the I pointer from 0. Submit it. Beats 100% of users with Java. Okay, so and the time complexity is big O of n, as we are looping through the complete array, and n is the nth is generally length of the array. So basically, and for both the problems complexity will be big O of n. See you in the next video.